Drill two 3/8 inch holes in the post brackets. Mark 2 locations on the slab using the post bracket as your template. Using a 3/8 inch masonry bit, drill the holes into the concrete slab at least 3 inches deep. Clean the holes out and drive the concrete anchor bolts into the holes so that at least 6 threads are below the concrete surface. Do not damage the threads. Place the bracket over the bolts and tighten to 7 foot-pounds torque, or 2 to 3 turns past finger tight. Mark the post to header bracket locations. These should line up with the post brackets that you've already installed. Transfer the mark to the bottom side of the header. This is the smooth side. The seam side should go to the top. Drill 1/4 inch holes in the brackets . Install the brackets using 2 number 14 by 1/2 inch sheet metal screws. Cut your post to the desired height. Attach the post to the brackets using 3 number 14 by 1/2 inch painted sheet metal screws. Make sure the post is plumb. Use a level on each side to check. Attach it to the header with number 14 sheet metal screws.